Welcome back, YouTube. We're doing an oil change reset on a 2017 Ford Focus. So you want to get the accessory, ignition on, engine not running, hold the gas and brake pedal down at the same time, and you see that service reset. So you'll see it counting down, and then it says it's in progress. Keep the gas pedal and brake pedal pressed at the whole time. That's it. Service oil reset complete. So you got that? So let's do it again. Accessory, gas pedal and brake pedal down at the same time. Wait for it to get into its mode. Key battery low, replace soon. How about that? Another thing that's wrong with it. Alright, so there you go. That's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching.